Good morning, everyone. I'm Rifki and my partner Rifandi from Science 3 News will share to you the news of Jakarta Floods Claim 5 Lives says Disaster Mitigation Office. Floods triggered by incessant heavy rain in Jakarta on Saturday claimed 5 lives, comprising one elderly man and 4 children, according of Capital City Disaster Mitigation Office. 4 children and one senior citizen died when Jakarta was hit by major flooding on early Saturday. Sabtu Kurnianto, Chief Executive of Jakarta BPBD, said on Sunday.
A 67-year-old man, resident of Jatipadang, South Jakarta, was found dead in his located home that was submerged by flood water. He said their small boys he swept away by strong flood current in South Jakarta, and 7 years old girl dropped net in flood waters in Jakarta. While the office had deployed personnel to carry out evacuation process of flood victims and distributed relief aid comprising food and equipment for cleaning homes affected by the flooding.
In accordance with the government instruction, we will continue to carry out flood handling by prioritizing the safety people. He remarked, based on data from Jakarta BPBD, the flood waters began to reduce in a number of areas, but there were still 49 neighborhood units affected by the floods, 0.1061% of the capital city total 30,470. RT a total of 1722 members of 514 family, all of whom are from the East Jakarta area, have been depleted. They have been accommodated in 10 shelters in East Jakarta, he noted.
The flood water reached a height of up to 1 meter in East Jakarta. The evacuation process of flood victims was conducted with the support of police and military officials.
The Jakarta authorities called for assistance as flood victims still need more relief aid such as the food, drinking water, Medikit, family kits, mattress, blanket, and mask.
Jakarta residents living in flood-prone areas are urged to remain vigilant as the Meteorological, Climatology, and Geographic Agency has forecasted that heavy rains would most likely to fall on February 2020 entry in most parts of Jakarta and surrounding cities such as Bekasi, West Java.
DKI Jakarta yang terjadi sejak Jumat 19 Februari memakan 5 korban jiwa. Menurut pemerintah Provinsi DKI Jakarta, 4 korban diantaranya anak kecil. Korban terdiri atas warga lansia laki-laki 67 tahun di daerah Jatipandang, Jakarta Selatan. Almarhum terkunci di dalam rumah saat banjir melanda Sabtu dini hari kemarin. 4 dari 5 korban jiwa adalah anak-anak berusia 7 hingga 13 tahun. 3 orang berasal dari Jakarta Selatan dan 1 korban dari Jakarta Barat. Mereka terseret arus banjir saat sedang bermain. Gubernur DKI Jakarta Anies Baswedan menyampaikan ucapan duka cita dan mengimbau seluruh jajarannya serta masyarakat agar menegur anak-anak yang bermain di tengah genangan banjir.
Kita berduka cita bahwa ada korban meninggal, jumlahnya 5 orang, dan 4 dari 5 orang ini adalah anak-anak. Usia 7 tahun, usia 11 tahun, usia 13 tahun. Mereka meninggal saat bermain di air, yang kemudian ada arus, yang kemudian ada yang terpeleset dan lain-lain. Saya memberikan instruksi kepada seluruh jajaran dan menghimbau kepada seluruh masyarakat apabila menyaksikan anak-anak bermain di kawasan yang sedang ada genangan, maka supaya ditegur, diajak untuk berhenti.